Now, I've gone on the record saying that utility doesn't rule the market. However, popularity rules the market right now. Cryptocurrency is definitely a little bit different than what you see in the stock market, where if you were bringing traditionalist values and your assessment, your research, and all that stuff into the crypto market, you're probably going to fail. Eventually, you'll succeed. You'll see that long term success and everything, which is always great, right? Not saying you're going to fail in general, but you may see a lot of failure before you see that level of success. Um, but when you look at it kind of as a new vision, a new item, a new investment, nothing like what it once was before, and you actually break it down, you can see what I'm seeing. Popularity rules everything. You can have things that have no utility and have a ton of popularity and they succeed, right? They see billions upon billions of dollars worth of a market cap when they're not even worth anything or do anything, right? Like a Shiba Inu, it doesn't do anything. It's a meme coin, but it's worth multiple billions of dollars. Pepe, it's a meme coin, it's worth multiple billions of dollars. um, Now you can see things that are worth hundreds of billions or trillions of dollars, like a Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or BNB, and those have utility to them, which is always great. When you can combine the popularity with utility, that's just a monster waiting for people to just continue to invest into it, and you have to be a part of those things, right? At least one of them. But if you don't have any type of popularity, but you have the best utility, that could be something that, creates more of a downfall for that position itself. So in this video, I kind of want to talk about popularity, meme coins, go through that, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I did make an investment in Bohm recently, which is a meme coin that really doesn't have any type of utility. It's all about the meme side of it. It's Book of Meme. So if you guys want to, start investing or check it out, right, I have a link for BTCC down below. That's the platform that I use to leverage trade this. And we're looking at a 10% deposit bonus if you specifically use my link. Up to $10,055 worth of extra bonuses, 40% lower trading fees. You can also trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. The leverage that I made, right? And again, this may be a little bit risky, so I always recommend you add a stop loss. I put $100 in here since I am up a decent amount on pretty much everything else that's here. I decided to put $100 at a 20x leverage, which is my largest leverage trade that I have in my portfolio so far. It currently is up 62%, and it really only has moved a small amount. So I'm looking for some movement. Hopefully we end up seeing that movement. If we don't, then we don't. But I wanted to take that risk in a meme coin, something that does have popularity, especially as you're seeing the market that's kind of increasing. So again, you want to check out the link for BTCC, feel free to do that. That link will be at the top of the description. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is more for the fact that popularity is a big deal, right? Seeing that we have coins that really are just thriving off of that popular side of things, it shows you that it's a completely different market. And if we go into coin market cap, the one place that we can look at for that is the meme coin sector, right? Top meme coins by market capitalization. And you're looking at things like Dogecoin. You're looking at things like Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, Pudgy Penguins. Most of these things, if not all of them, do not have any type of utility at all. But what do they have that really brings them up to the top, right? And it would be popularity, and popularity by volume, right? Many people that are looking to find this next best thing, not invest into a company and not, buy this because it's going to do this, this, and this. It's no, it has a community that believes in the growth of the position and continues to believe in that growth and want to see certain highs and see a lot of people make a ton of money. Now, I know it's very difficult to see a lot of people make a ton of money when you have maybe people at the top that are probably going to sell when it reaches certain levels and end up tanking the price a lot because it has no type of utility there. So it's always great to partner the two in a way. Like if you can look at I'm trying to think of a Floki, right? If you can look at a Floki which has many forms of utility, but also has the popularity to keep it up in a $1.2 billion market cap and see hundreds of millions of dollars worth of volume. Those are the ones that you want to see. And speaking of that, I wanted to turn your attention to something else that could have some decent utility, which is the sponsor of this video, which is Dupe. It's Dupe app, the poop coin. This is something that is a little bit interesting, and maybe you might look at and go, you know what, I don't really see why I should do that or see the value in that. But first, understand what poop could do as a meme coin, as something that has popularity, because we all know that people live and thrive and end up profiting off of a lot of these coins that have something that I guess could be hilarious in a way. Just the fact that I'm invested in the poop coin, I made all my money from poop coin. Imagine you going, I made $1 million, became $1 million, became a millionaire from poop coin, right? That's something that that many people would want to say, but also not want to say. They would probably just say cryptocurrency. However, poop is a token built for Dupe, but this isn't just another meme coin. Even though it has that popularity, it's kind of combining the two. Dupe is a real health app, a crypto powered game that helps you improve your gut health and diet through tracking, personalized insight, and real rewards. So, the health game. Your gut's health have never been fun or this profitable. Here's how Dupe works. Snap, after every trip to the bathroom, open Dupe and snap a photo of your latest masterpiece, right? I'm sure there's people out there that already do that. AI instantly analyzes your poop photo to check shape, consistency, and other health markers. Now, I've seen let me go through this and then we'll talk about that. Check in daily to build your streak and your streak and unlock insight challenges and friendly gut health competitions with your friends. Earn poop tokens as rewards for consistency and healthy trends. Buy fun collectible NF toilets to turn your poop into real crypto rewards. Now, I've seen people actually talk about gut health and how your stool, I would say, should look if you are healthy. And obviously, this is a way of mixing in crypto and also mixing in a gamified way of this. I don't know how that's going to go and how you would compete with your friends. I don't know all of that, but I know it is definitely interesting and something that could be very popular over time. If we go and look at Poopcoin as of right now, it currently stands at an $8.3 million market cap. Now, the liquidity, it has $405,000 worth of liquidity. Volume in the last 24 hours is $730,000. So it definitely has some money and movement into it. So it doesn't mean that it's, at the bottom or at the top or anything like that. It may be just getting started, seeing an $8.3 million market cap with a lot of growth potential going forward. Currently sitting at about 6 cents. And you guys can give it a look and check it out for yourself. See where you want to get it, see what you want to do with it. But you guys can be a part of it a little bit more and dive into it a little bit more. Now, I'm not going to go through everything, but you guys should take a look. I'll provide all of the links down below for Dupe and look at the chart for Poop down below. If you guys are interested, click the link, check it out for yourself. But this really kind of tells you that meme coins really run this space, right? You look at things like a Dogecoin and how it started as a meme and still is a meme, but now they're trying to find other forms of trying to utilize it, right? Utility in a way to create value, more value for meme and long-standing value. And that could be something that could happen. Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, right? You have other ones that are down below, right? I talked about Book of Meme and investing into that position. ApeCoin, that essentially is a meme coin, but also has the value of more metaverse, NFTs, like that side of things, right? So you can see the popularity runs everything. Without this popularity, you don't have these newer faces that are into cryptocurrency. You don't have Pepe sitting at a multi-billion-dollar market cap that a lot of people didn't believe would ever get back to, right? It was at a $300 million market cap, I think, at a low point, not the lowest point, but a low point after the highest points. And then skyrocketed above a $4 billion market cap and breaking the $5 billion market cap barrier. And that's for a meme coin. You got to understand where I'm coming from, right? This is not just all a game, right? This is real money that you can make in the meme coin sector if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, I don't suggest just go throwing all of your money into Pepe at a $5 billion market cap. Yeah, you could see some success, long-standing success, especially in the bull market in altcoin season. But what I'm saying is that you can find opportunities that are out there that are going to give you that ability to start from more of the bottom, an $8-10 million market cap, and essentially go to a multi-billion dollar market cap. Right? So you guys look at it and tell me what you think about that, right? Are meme coins really running the world? Is that volume really running the markets? I understand Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the volume that goes into those is absolutely phenomenal. The utility that goes into those is phenomenal. But these right here are what bring a lot of eyeballs to the markets, especially newer eyeballs, that now they start to research and look into those plays, and now money is flowing into both. Money starts here, money will flow there, and then it'll flow back to here. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Again, also check out Dupe app down below if you guys are interested in that and be a part of that. If you guys want to analyze your gut health and make sure that you're healthy, as well as being able to earn rewards from it. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.